Hello guys, welcome back. So in the previous video I told you how you can buy any token from the spot section of Bybit, and in this video I want to quickly show you how you can sell. Okay, you already bought this token and you discover that the value is coming up in price. Okay, and you want to sell, or you want to just set the price. There's a particular price you have in mind, that once this token gets to this price, I want to sell. You can also set this particular price you have in mind, set it down. Then once the market hits that price, you to sell automatically, whether you are online or offline, whether you are watching the market or not, it will sell immediately. So this is what I want to show you in this video. Mind you, this is when you have bought the token already. Okay, so if you've not watched that video on how to buy, I need you to go watch it. Then if you don't know how to buy USDT, because you need USDT to buy in the first place, I've also made a video on that. I need you to go watch it so that you learn as well and know how to teach somebody else to avoid mistakes and to avoid getting scammed as well. So let's dive right into the video. Let me show you how you can sell on the spot section of Bybit, and I also show you how you can set the price down, and whether you're online or you are not, it will also sell immediately for you at a particular price. Let's dive right into the video, guys. So whether you are new to the channel or not, hit a like on the video, hit on the subscribe button, and if you have questions, go to the comment section and ask your questions, and I will answer your questions immediately. So let's dive right into the video without wasting your time, guys. Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video I want to show you how you can sell that coin you bought from the spot section of Bybit. In the previous video I showed us how you can buy on the spot section of Bybit. So in this particular video I want to show you how you can sell on that same spot section of Bybit. You bought the coin already when it dipped, like when the price reduced. Now the price has come up a little, maybe 2%, 3%, 5%, 10%, as the case may be, and you want to sell and make a little profit for yourself. This is how you can sell. I'll show you. You stay to the end of the video because I'm going to show you how you can set the exact price you want to sell. Like, I want this coin to be sold for me immediately get to so price. You can set it like that and go offline. Once the price gets to that particular price, it will sell automatically for you, whether you're online or not. So that's what I want to show you in this video. And if you want to quickly sell, maybe the price of the coin is pumping, going up, and you want to sell at that current market price as it's pumping, I also show you how you can do that. Okay, immediately to sell for you immediately on the spot. So everything we want to do now is on the sports section of Bybit. If you've not watched how we bought on that sports section, how we bought that coin, because I will show you how to sell now. If you've not watched how to buy, go to my previous video and watch it. Okay. Then if you don't know how to buy USDT, so that you use the USDT to buy on spot, there's also another video on how to buy USDT with your local currency on the P2P section of Bybit. The video is also there for you to watch, so that once you buy your USDT from P2P section, you can use your USDT to buy the coin that you want to buy on the spot section of Bybit. All these videos are there on my home page, so you can also see display on the screen and you click on it to also watch it. Okay, so let's go now. I want to show you how you can sell on the spot section of Bybit. So let's go, guys. So you come here to trade, the one at the center downwards. Down here you see trade at the center. Click on it. So when you click on it, it will bring you here. You see now that it's on buy. That is this green one. Buy. This is buy, but we are not buying, we are selling now, because we already bought in the previous video. I showed you how to buy at a particular price that you wish to buy. I also showed you I also showed you how to buy at the current market price. You understand, in that previous video. So in this video, let me show you how you can sell that coin that you bought already. So we're going to click on sell now. Click on sell. So when you click on sell, once you click on sell, you are going to come here. Maybe you see limit here. Look at limit. You now say, I want to sell. That is the meaning of this limit. I want to sell this coin. I want to sell this coin at this particular price. Okay. I want to sell this coin at this particular price. I will now click here and say, sell this. You now click on this place, they wrote USDT. Say, sell my Solana for me, because it's Solana we bought in that previous video. Okay, if your own is not Solana, you can come here and change the coin. Come here, click on, let's go back, click on this place, click on here, the row so/USDT, click on it. Then look at this place that they wrote, please enter preferred trading pair. Click here, you can search. Maybe it's SRP. It's SRP that you bought in the last time and you want to, sell it. You can see SRP/USDT is the first one here, and it's written spot. You click on it and select. But the coin we bought in the previous video is Solana. So I'll select Solana. Okay. So I will now, come to here. This is limit. I say limit means you want to set the price at which you want to sell. You want to set the price at which you want to sell. You want to say, I believe Solana price is going to come to 165 USDT. You understand? Or it will come to 170 USDT. You understand? So I will now say once the price of Solana comes to 170 USDT, please sell all. You now drag this thing, sell all of my Solana, or sell 50%. You drag it to this place, or sell 30% of my Solana, or sell 20% of my Solana, or sell 75% of my Solana, or sell 100%. Sell everything. Sell all my Solana once the price gets to 175 USDT. Look at your Solana here. Look at the Solana you have. Look at it. Okay. Are we there? So, all right. So this is it. So guys, I want to show you now. Look. So I want to show you here. So look at it. Look at the Solana you have. This is here available. This is Solana we bought in the last time, 0.025. 253147 Solana. This is Solana you have that you want to sell. Okay, that is what I want to sell now. So I will now say, if it gets to this 170 USDT, sell for me. Sell all my Solana for me. I will now click on this sell down here. Look at sell. I'll click on sell. You see that? I'll click on sell. I'll now click on sell. It will now show me order price 170, order quantity 0.025, order value, that is the price, the USDT I'm going to get from selling at this 170 USDT. I'll now click on sell. Look at down here, you see sell Solana. I'll now click on sell. You now say order submitted successfully. You see that? Then you now come here, scroll down. You see the order. You have placed an order that once Solana price gets to 170 USDT, please sell all my Solana for me. You see that? So once the price triggers, whether you are online or you are offline or you are sleeping, it will sell for you, and your 4.2 USDT will be in your account for you. USDT is a stable currency. It's not going to be going up and going down. You see that, guys? So give this video a like, subscribe to this channel. Please click on the subscribe button if you are watching this on YouTube. Then if you are watching it elsewhere, just look for the link around this video and click on it to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because I bring more amazing tutorial videos like this on the channel. Then if you have questions, go to the comment section and actually ask your questions, guys. So I want to show you how you can sell at the current market price. Like you say, I want to sell my USDT now. I want to sell my Solana now and get USDT. I don't want to be setting price that the price is going to come up. I will be selling my Solana now at the current market price. The price is now 159 USDT. I want to sell it at that price now. It's okay. To do that, you now come here. Okay, so for you to do that, you cancel this one. I want to cancel this one now that I placed the order I placed. So I'll click on this cancel. Look at here, cancel. So I'll click on cancel, and it say cancelled successfully. So you see now that my Solana is back here. Look at here, Solana is back here. Okay, my 0.25 Solana is back here. So if I want to sell at the current market price, I will now click on this limit here. Look at this. I'll click on this limit here and select market. Look at market. I'll click on market. Click on market. Then I'll now say I'll select all my Solana 100% if I want to sell everything. I select 50% if I want to sell half, or I select 30% as the case may be. But I want to select everything now. If I select everything now, then I click on this cell here. I click on this cell here. Look, I'll click on sell. So it shows me that you want to sell your 0.025 Solana at the current market price, meaning the price of Solana right now. That is the price you want to sell. I'll say yes, that is what I want to do. I will now come down here and click on sell so. So that is how to do it. Immediately you click on that sell so, immediately it will sell and you have USDT in your account. And if you want to sell that USDT, you go to P2P section, sell it back to your local currency, and a merchant will credit your local bank account with your money. That is it. Even though it's 3 USDT, you definitely find somebody that will buy it and give you your local currency, guys. So that is basically it, guys. Share this video, please. And if you have questions, go to the comment section and ask your questions. Then if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and please also like this video. Give the video a thumbs up, like the video. Okay, then ask your question in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.